Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today we are talking about one of the most fascinating technologies of this time, that is generative AI. So what exactly is generative AI and why it is such a big deal right now? Let's break it down in this video. Generative AI or Gen AI is equal to an AI that creates. The proper definition of generative AI is it is a type of an artificial intelligence that can create new content such as text, images, videos, music and more just from user's prompt, and it can also use what it knows to solve new problems. It can learn languages, arts, physics, chemistry, biology or any complex topics. For example, I am typing something like a dog wearing a sunglasses and riding a bicycle. So this prompt can generate unique images in seconds. That is generative AI at work. Generative AI creations. The creative power of generative AI is large. For example, Gen AI can generate text such as articles, emails, poems, stories, codes, and so on. It can generate images like artwork, photos, or logos. It can also generate audios such as songs, voice, music, and many more. Gen AI can also generate videos such as short clips, animations, and many more. We can easily write new code in Python or JavaScript or for different websites. Gen AI is able to create 3D models as used by different game environments and architectures and so on. Therefore, these are the creations of generative AI, and it is growing day by day in various forms. So now let's see how Gen AI is different from regular AI. The traditional AI is built to recognize patterns and make decisions. It is great at analyzing. The example is like recommendation systems. However, the generative AIs, it goes a step further. That means it uses its earlier knowledge to create something new. Example is like writing an original poem that never existed before. Why is it a game changer? Generative AI is a game changer because before generative AI, making any content would have taken long hours and many skills. But now, even if you are not a designer or a developer, you can create amazing stuffs in no time. It is helping programmers to write code faster, designers to come with lots of design ideas, faster results in business, and so many other advantages like never before. So in short, generative AI is creative. It is helping people around the world turn ideas into reality and more faster, cheaper and easier. Thank you for watching. If you are excited to learn more about generative AI, hit that like button and subscribe to my channel. I will see you in the next video.